That shit's sick. That shit's sick. That shit's sick, dude.
That is badass.
Come out. There's another one right there. I thought it was short. Yes. Some of the pits over here, all these pits over here.
In the meantime, go on down Vendor Midway. Check out all them vendors. They give a t-shirt, a hat, a pair of sunglasses, get your beer money shirt. Because I'm here
right there. There's another one. Hell yeah, man, nice ride. That's short. Something under that Hellcat. What is it? That yellow Type R Civic looks really good.
What?
That looks really good. That's really short. That GTO looks good too. I like that Evo. That Evo looks good. Not Evo. That Type R looks good. GTO looks wild. I ain't never seen one in red. Keep it on skeeting and a beat. Mustangs for Mustang guys out there. That green is wow. That TRX is pretty nice too. Some more pits. People in the pits. Look at this RX-7 right here. It's pretty dope. Huh? No. No, y'all skeet that way. Look at that one. That's pretty dope. I think that's an IS300 rather than crowded around. Looks like, look at that RX-7. It's pretty sick. Yeah. Alright, we'll come back with y'all.